An Uber Eats driver in 2025, the city you drive in can significantly impact your earnings. So, what are the best cities for Uber Eats drivers to maximize their income? Let's dive into the top locations where you can make the most money as a delivery driver. First up, New York City. This is one of the busiest places for Uber Eats drivers with a high demand for deliveries 24/7. The city's large population combined with constant rush hours and tourists means drivers can rake up more deliveries, earn great tips. Expect earnings to average around $25 to $30 per hour, especially during peak hours. Next, Los Angeles is another hotspot. With its vast sprawl and high demand for food delivery services, LA drivers often benefit from flexibility and lucrative bonuses. The combination of a large population, tourist areas, and neighborhoods where people prefer delivery makes the city a top choice for Uber Eats drivers. Earnings can reach 20 to 25 an hour, with even more during busy times. If you're looking for a city with great potential in 2025, Chicago is a great option. As a densely populated city with a significant food scene, Uber Eats drivers here can earn $20 or more per hour. The demand spikes during lunch and dinner rush hours, especially in areas like downtown and the Loop. Additionally, Chicago offers good incentives and bonuses during busy seasons. For those of you in the South, Dallas is booming in 2025. With a growing population and a strong food delivery culture, Uber Eats delivery can expect solid earnings, average $18 to $22 per hour. Peak hours like lunchtime and evenings provide great opportunities to make extra cash, especially in urban centers. San Francisco also remains a top choice for Uber Eats drivers. As a tech hub, it has high income areas and a mix of busy districts, making it a good spot for steady earnings. Drivers here can earn 22 or more per hour, with plenty of tips and promotions available. Did this video help you figure out where to drive for Uber Eats in 2025? If so, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your delivery earnings. Where are you driving? Let me know in the comments below too. See you next time.